On Tuesday, March 15th, a bad situation is being experienced in the extreme north of the Chile, after intense rainfall caused various floods in the city of Calama, Antofagasta Region. During the day, the National Emergency Office had advanced the update of the preventive early warning due to a strong meteorological event, which would bring rain to Calama, specifically to the Loa province sector. Despite the precautions that were taken, several sectors of the community were completely flooded, and even the roof of Loa Airport ended up giving way to the force of the water, which also filtered through various parts of the premises. Through social networks, videos have been broadcast in which it is seen how the water leaked from the roof of the enclosure, which caused flooding inside the air terminal. Precisely, the rain should affect the Andean sector of the communes of Antofagasta and Atacama, as forecast by the Chilean Meteorological Directorate. Meanwhile, the local authorities maintain that the rains will extend this Wednesday in the area, so the weather alert will remain in force.